When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. If you get up in the morning and think the future is going to be better, it is a bright day. Otherwise, it's not. When Henry Ford made cheap, reliable cars, people said, "Nah, what's wrong with a horse?" That was a huge bet he made, and it worked. Persistence is very important. You should not give up unless you are forced to give up. It's okay to have your eggs in one basket as long as you control what happens to that basket. We're going to make it happen. As God is my bloody witness, I'm hell-bent on making it work. The first step is to establish that something is possible, then probability will occur. I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. I could either watch it happen or be a part of it. What makes innovative thinking happen? I think it's really a mindset. You have to decide. The greatest victory is that which requires no battle. The first step is to establish that something is possible, then probability will occur.